Oh, brother, tell me why the cakes look amazing, bro. Tell me why. Yeah, they look delicious, man. And inshallah, thank you very much. I am gonna. Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. We'll come back to the dessert in a bit, but we got a boiler to fix before that. We got error 25 flashing. Let's fix it. Right, guys, we got intermittent fault on this Biasi. Right, can you see that mark? Can you see the mark now? I think it's sparking across over here rather than doing over there, because that looks like nice gap on that. I think it's sparking here, and that's why we're having intermittent fault on this. So I don't have one with me, but we're gonna order one, and hopefully that will resolve the issue of error code error 25 on this, which is ignition related. Okay, we're gonna eliminate it this way. Actually, that one, look at it, looks like it's in good shape. That does. Can't see any problems with that power mark there, but nah, I think that's fine. Just a black stain on it. Okay, so I don't think that's an issue. So I'm gonna put that back. Right, guys, I've bought a new ignition electrode. This is a guesswork, unfortunately. You know, when you get intermittent faults and it doesn't break down in front of you, you go there and it's got an F25 in it. That's what happened to me. Just had an F25 in it. I reset the boiler and it started working. It was working fine after that. So what's happening is once every day they're having an F25 on it, and they're kind of concerned and they want that sorted. Normally they're a bit difficult to do, the intermittent ones, but this one, because it's ignition related, I just wanted to check the electrodes out. It can easily be a circuit board issue as well, or a gas valve. But it looked, with the visual inspection on the electrode, it looked a bit damaged. So I'm going to change that ignition electrode, and hopefully, if I don't get any callbacks on it, that'll be sorted on that. Right, guys, now if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham or South Birmingham, domestic or commercial, we repair all your favorite boilers from Biasi, Booster Bosch, and many more. We also offer Landlord Gas Safety Certificates and boiler servicing. We repair Gledhill boilers too, domestic and commercial, water tanks. So if your boiler is broken down, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Yeah, I got the ball. I didn't record. Yeah, so I'll leave it. Right, guys. I've changed the electrode on this. The reason I changed it is an intermittent fault because you can see that mark there, and I think the other mark there. I think the sparks are just jumping across. It's an intermittent fault. Unfortunately, it didn't do it in front of me. It's giving F25, which is same as error 01, which is ignition related. So this is the fault I think it is. If it continues, then I'm screwed because then I don't know what else could it be. But the electrodes look a bit more, you can see that mark, but they're all in line with each other. So I think the sparks just jumping across. Hopefully that will resolve the issue for them. I'll put a new electrode in for them. Okay, I'm going to install back in now. Try the top water and install back in. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's a short one. It's related to the ignition. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix. Listen. Whatever you said to me, say again. Hello, brother. Tell me why the cakes look amazing, bro. Tell me which one? This one?
That one, this one, the promise cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that one, the cocoberry. That one.
Yeah.
Cocoberry cake.
Just this one,
and
yeah.
That one, the chocolate milk cake, the tulip cheese. Yeah. Brownies, cookies, the like brownie and cookie, cookie dough.
Yeah. They look delicious, man. And inshallah. Thank you very much. I am gonna. This is what I ordered today, yeah.
Yeah. This one, the banana pudding.
Oh, this looks so nice. Wallah, it looks so nice.
We do banana pudding, red velvet banana pudding with that one.
Yeah.
The classic banana pudding, the caramel brownie banana pudding, the cookie cream, hazelnut, and red velvet.
Thank you. Right, guys. I'm just having some dessert after a large meal on a weekend. And I'm just tasting this dessert out. This is nice. It's got cake and cream. Oh, this is cream, and I don't know how to describe it, but it's really nice. Nice and sweet. The cake inside there, nice combination, really lovely combination. I would highly recommend this. Guys, if you're at Golden Cod on Baker Street, they've got a new dessert shop there. And this is really delicious. After a lunch or a meal, you want to have a dessert, this is really nice. And also with that, right, I'm having a drink with this. Milkshake. Really, really nice. Oh, this is delicious. Some mango one. So a bit of custard inside it as well. Oh, this is really nice. Guys, really recommend this. That's it.